ko, gusto lang nilang maglabas in collaboration din with the Pares. So, magiging parang Pares naman siya, instant Pares. Tapos, meron siyang collagen. So, yes. Hindi ko alam yun pa.
Nag-joke ata po.
Natawag na kami. Ito yung actually artwork doon. Yung talaga sila, nag-drawing sila para kay Diwata. So, ayan. So, itong contract namin, ayan. This is for 12 months, 1-year contract. This is worth 1 million pesos.
Wow! Grabe naman, di ba? Another 1-year contract.
Yes, ito siya. Ayan.
Yolo!
Tomorrow. Yeah.
So, dalawa na i-encash mo bukas sa video.
So, ayan, tomorrow, ayan, mag-ano na kami lang for the payment. Thank you so much.
Wow! Ayan, congrats, Diwata. Congrats. At syempre, hindi lang yan.
Wow, congrats!
Asan na yun sa Leyhon?
Right now, we're all witnessing the contract signing of Dear Face of Miss Juna and of course Diwata. So, once more, so many things to watch out for, to expect. It's definitely such an exciting time for all of these companies, all of these brands to be collaborating. And of course, like I said a while ago, you know, anything can happen in Wonderland. We've had so many performances, we've had great artists join us here on stage, lots of musical shows, games, prizes, and of course, our contract signing between these beautiful, talented brands. So thank you so much for everyone here for sitting through all of the exciting times that we've had, all the
Masa 2 million na bibigay kay Diwata. Grabe, no? Congrats. Ano?
Sana all.
Sana all.
Ayan, gusto ko lang po
Soon, mag-aaral ka niyan. Ako bibigyan kita.
Dahil
Tumingin.
na-invite ako dito sa napakagandang event at napaka-social. First time ko rin po maka-attend sa ganitong klaseng event na mga big time po na dito at mga kilalang tao. At syempre, Madam Rosman, maraming salamat sa iyo dahil napakalaking tulong po yung binibigay mo sa akin. At maraming salamat po dahil dumating ka sa buhay ko at nabago po ang buhay ko dahil dito. Kaya pasalamat po ako sa iyo.
At hindi pa dyan nagtatapos, so may humabol kasi nung inabot ka sa'yo. So, ayan na ang... Asan na? Pasok mo ng char. Ayan guys, ang World of Beauty. Anong nasa na? Wait lang guys, medyo nagulo na.
Still lang.
Ayan guys, ang World of... Ano ba sa Beauty? Aesthetic and Wellness Center and... Isa.
Hindi, next. Yung isa. In 3, 2. Okay, hold.
Wait lang, ano lang sila, nag-vlog.
Surprise, oh, surprise.
Awesome.
Alright, there's just a few technical difficulties at the moment, but of course, what risk
Ayan guys, mali.
Hindi yan. Yan.
And guys, ang DMS Cosmetics Manufacturing Corporation, we're building its success. Meron siyang binigay din na additional 100,000. Ayan, para yun sa'yo. Reset pa yung pera ng bulsa na dyan. And iabot na natin ang 100,000 para kay Diwata. Galing sa DMS. Ayan, thank you so much.